Shady as F*****K. Season 1, Episode 5 Issa searches for a solution to a problem. Molly invites Chris to a party. Lawrence faces questions. Hella questions. Season 2, Episode 2 Issa tries to make sense of a cryptic encounter. Molly plots to join the boys' club. Insecure as F*****K. Season 1, Episode 1 Series Premiere. In the wake of her 29th birthday, Issa D and her best friend Molly reconsider their life choices. Thirsty as F****K. Season 1, Episode 4 Issa turns to Daniel for help. Molly is put in a tough position at work. Lawrence finds a confidant. Hella great. Season 2, Episode 1 Season 2 Premiere. Issa struggles to move on post-breakup. Molly questions her worth at work. Real as F****K. Season 1, Episode 7 Issa deals with drama at a work fundraiser. Later, she clashes with Molly over life choices. Hella perspective. Season 2, Episode 8 Season 2 Finale. Issa, Molly and Lawrence face difficult choices over the course of one pivotal month. Broken as F****K. Season 1, Episode 8 Season 1 Finale. A girls' trip finds Issa and Molly in close quarters while Lawrence vents with his boys.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.